changes in weather.
अभी आप चलेगा थोड़ा भी देखो ना. Now I want one girl to read it very loudly. Just come ahead. बेचारों को सुनाई नहीं देगा. Yes, yes, happens. अगला chance आपका दो. Yes.
Changes in weather,
Is
climate.
it audible? Palak, Grishma, is it audible to you? At least say yes or no. Ask you a network issue. You just continue to read.
Point in breaking.
Voice is breaking. Yes, your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. Are actually there was some network issue, but then it's okay, I guess. Now it will be solved. Light चले गया था बीच में. Voice is breaking. There was some network issue, guys. Is it audible now? Yes. Just go and call that sir. You know now what all parties are voted? You are not aware about it. Not even a
In
single.
black.
Please.
Changes in weather, climate does not change continuously. Climate is that which remains constant in a region for a long duration. Thus, we
This
can
is we have already studied. So try to focus. जो भी पढ़ाया मैंने अब तक सब इसमें concentrated है. कुछ भी doubt है? Now only clear है. Okay? Just read.
Thus, we see that weather is related to a specific location and specific time, whereas climate is related to a longer duration and larger area. Changes in the weather may occur for short periods of time, whereas changes in the climate take place slowly over a much long duration. Climate plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. It influences our basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter, as well as our occupations. Climate is especially important for a agrarian country like
Agrarian.
agrarian
That
country.
means the country where mostly the agriculture is done. That is called as agrarian.
For an agrarian country like India, whereas various climatic factors like direction and speed of wind, temperature, atmospheric pressure, etc. are considered during construction of runways, seaports, huge bridges, and skyscrapers, etc.
Okay. Just a minute. As I told you that various climatic factors they are been related for the climate as well as weather. So see what all factors are given over here is direction of the speed of the wind. Okay, temperature, then the atmospheric pressure. All these factors are being considered if you are trying to you are trying to construct a seaport. Do you know what is seaport?
Yeah.
क्या होता है? शिप्रा। मुंबई में कौन सा है? वहाँ पे एक मस्त फेमस नाम है भाऊचा धक्का। और अलीबाग, if you want to go, you get a ferry over there. Okay, so that is a port over here. Okay, if you want to build the big bridges, huge bridges, that time also all these climatic conditions they have been kept in mind, and then only the construction has been done. Okay, just continue. That yellow box, that orange box, and the blue box is omitted. Students, please note वो तीनों boxes omitted है. Okay. नीचे आओ.
While ascertaining the climate of
Second last bench, no talking, Raja.
of a particular region, a review of earlier studies of various aspects of climate is very important. Most countries in the world have established meteorology departments for making and recording such observations. These departments have observatory which are equipped with modern instruments and technology.
Okay. While ascertaining the particular climate of a particular region, as I told you, there are special departments called as meteorological departments. These departments, they are responsible for analyzing the climate of a particular region, to predict the climate or to predict the weather of a particular region. How come they can do this? Based on the past experiences. Based on the past experiences, the present condition, they will predict the future conditions. पिछले साल के जितने भी records हैं, वहाँ पर observatories होती हैं, ऐसे rooms होते हैं, fixed with the proper equipments. See, the technology has gone ahead. Okay, so different instruments are there, modern equipments, machines are there. So all these are fixed in a particular room. Okay, these are called as observatories, and sitting in those observatories, they just keep on noting सालों साल के जितने भी records हैं, they just go on entering into that records. And now they will do what? आज का situation पिछले situations के basis पे predict करेंगे. Apart from this, what else they will do? पिछला situation, अभी का situation, they will try to compare, and then they will use that knowledge to predict the future situation. Is it clear? Yes. How the weather forecasting is done? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Hello?
If present climatic conditions are analyzed with reference to the past climatic conditions, we can predict climatic changes of the future. However, as climate is the net result of a complex mixture of various atmospheric factors, forecasting it is very complicated and difficult. Forecasting is easy for places where climatic changes are slow and of a limited nature.
Okay.
However,
so where is the climate prediction very much easy? Where you can do the climatic predictions, where the climate changes are very slow and gradual. If my climate is changing now and then, will I be able to predict the climatic conditions? No. For example, आप लोग इतने सब बच्चे हो, right? मुझे एक question paper बनाना है. I have to make one question paper. If I try to see, look at each and every student's quality, and then I'll make the paper, will I able to make the paper properly? No, because each and every student का अगर मैं quality देखूं, तो सबका एक unique quality है अपना, अलग qualities है. Okay, I cannot make the question paper accordingly. So I will consider only 3 levels: easy, moderate, and hard. है ना? So this is how the climate, when it doesn't change very rapidly, that time उसका जो prediction है वो easy है. Okay, you can go back. Thank you so much. Next, किसको बोला था मैंने? Yeah, come over here. This is the hot seat. You can sit. No need to stand in my lecture. You can sit.
Meteorology. the science that studies the interrelationships between the various components of air, nature cycles, geographical movements of the earth, and climate is called meteorology.
Please
Meteorology.
mark these two lines. Everyone will mark these two lines. Like, what is meteorology? The science that deals with the science that studies the interrelationship between the various components of air, natural cycles, then geological movements of the earth, and the climate is called as meteorology. Here, in this case, what they are trying to explain us, like air का क्या status है, whether the air is cool or it is hot, like that means the temperature of air, ये भी उनका ही काम रहता है देखने का. Then the other thing they have given is natural cycles. What are the natural cycles? Just name them. पढ़ा है last lecture में. Come on, 7th chapter. Pages पीछे मत पलटना, मारूंगी एक. Come on.
ऑक्सीजन साइकिल,
Cycles कहते हैं. Yes, बेटा. Someone was trying to say something.
ऑक्सीजन साइकिल, नाइट्रोजन
Very nice, Raja.
साइकिल,
It is carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, and oxygen cycle. वही तो बोला. These are the cycles. These are the biogeochemical cycles, which are also termed as natural cycles. So all this information has been given by the meteorological center. And meteorology, logy is to study, and meteorology पूरा अर्थ के बारे में हम लोग study करते हैं. And the other most important thing is, you know, Earth is made up of different plates called as tectonic plates. है ना? So these tectonic plates, when they move, and if they are already in a motion, but if they move very fast, what happens? Yes, earthquake arises, right? So all these things are being predicted by the meteorological centers. They get the pre-idea that if the movement will be more at that particular time, earthquake will be coming. Okay, so वो पहले हमें चेतावनी दे देते हैं. And nowadays तो earthquake-prone buildings and all also constructed, है ना?
Meteorology includes the study of storms, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning, etc. Depending upon the study of such factors, weather forecasts are made. They are useful to common peoples, farmers, fisheries, aviation service, water transport, and
Water transport and
various others organizations.
yeah, very nice. Why to do weather forecasting? क्या जरूरत है? जियो ना, जो नेचर मिल रहा है, वेदर मिल रहा है. Why to do weather forecasting? Job चाहिए इसके लिए? We want job, that's why we are doing weather forecasting. Then what's the reason behind this? Why do we do weather forecasting? Yes, the students, those are sitting online. Why do we do for the weather forecasting? Don't just sit idle, try to speak something. Yes, Harshali, Rohan, Nidhi, why is your video off? If teacher is keeping the video on, then what's your problem? आप लोग क्यों नहीं रख सकते? फैक्ट्रियां चल रही है आपकी. You're so busy doing your own work. Okay. Yeah. Why do we do weather forecasting? Come on.
Read it like
For safety purpose, very nice. If you're traveling through a flight, if you're taking a flight, बीच में announcement होता है, आगे का तापमान ये है. Why do this announcement is done? For the pilot, whether the sky is clear or not, if any meteor is coming, meteor एक कोई भी foreign body, बताया जाता है pilot को, or is the plane will crash. So that is why the study is being done. दूसरा, fisheries. The best example for fisheries. कब fishing बंद करते हैं? High tide किस दिन होता है? That day we do some puja also. हाँ? बोलो ना. That day we do some puja as well. नारळी पूर्णिमा सुना है? You get Good Friday का holiday. That time, that day, it is on high tide. Okay, बहुत पानी होता है समुद्र को, बड़ा बड़ा waves आता है. That time the garland, then वो क्या रहता है, coconut has been offered to the deity. समुद्र भगवान को और सब चढ़ाते हैं. Why? और उसके बाद है ना fishing बंद किया जाता है. So the reason behind this is fish का breeding season तभी start होता है. तो उनको थोड़ा प्राइवेसी. ब्रीडिंग सीजन, अगर ब्रीडिंग सीजन में हम लोगों ने फिशिंग किया, पॉपुलेशन बढ़ेगा नहीं तो साल भर पूरेगा इतना मच्छी भी उसमें बनेगा नहीं. Isn't it? So the fishes they are being allowed to breed. समझते हो ब्रीडिंग? नहीं? No, breeding means सास नहीं. Breeding is to reproduce. सांस लेने से पॉपुलेशन बढ़ता है. Come on यार. हाँ? Fish का breeding season means they are being allowed to reproduce, और reproduction होने के बाद छोटे छोटे babies आते हैं fishes के बहुत सारे, फिर वो size में बड़े हो जाते हैं, फिर हम उसको fishing करते हैं. Okay? और फिर मस्त होगा, है ना? Okay? So this is how the fisheries में ये सब help होता है. Okay? और फिर जो ट्रैवलिंग करते रहते हैं एक पोर्ट से दूसरे सी पोर्ट पे, मर्चेंट नेवी वाले बंदे, है ना, तो उन लोगों को भी सब इंफॉर्मेशन वेदर फोरकास्टिंग से ही मिलता है. ओके, नाउ द अदर थिंग, क्लाउड्स का कंडीशन क्या है, स्टॉर्म्स आने वाला है क्या, साइक्लोन्स आने वाला है क्या, व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर, इफ दिस इज द टेम्परेचर, वेदर द ग्लेशियर विल मेल्ट. ग्लेशियर्स पता है ना, आइसबर्ग्स बड़े बड़े, है ना. So because of the melting of glaciers, what happens? बाढ़ आ जाती है ना कभी कभी. So this is all the information like thundering, lightning, ये सब कब होने वाला है, सब उनको पता रहता है. Continue.
Institutes at work. The World Meteorological Organization was established by the United Nations Organization on 23rd March 1950.
This is just for your general knowledge. Try to focus over here. वो omit है कि नहीं, I don't have any idea. Try to focus on it.
This organization plays an important role in food security, water management, transportation, and communication using ICT. With the help of various search engines on the internet, search like for link giving information about the following institutes and prepare a report based upon the information
Just
obtained.
leave that.
India Meteorological
You
Department.
can sit. बोलेगा पहले ही बैठा हुआ है. What's your good name? Harsh. Huh? Raj. Harsh Raj. And what's your good name? Sakshi. Start.
India Meteorology Department.
Start.
The India Meteorology Department was founded by the British in 1875 and
Just listen it carefully. It is just for the sake of general knowledge. When was the meteorological center established? Then आगे उन लोगों ने क्या क्या कैसे कैसे यूज किया? Just listen it carefully. मैं बीच में बोलूंगी, but फिर भी सुनो.
Its head office is at Pune and its regional offices are at Mumbai, Kolkata, China, Nagpur, and Delhi.
Don't laugh. वो slip of tongue की वजह से हो गया उसको. बोलो.
Chennai, Nagpur, and Delhi. Maps are prepared.
Okay, what they are trying to tell. इतना भी हंसो मत. You all are not pro in reading. सब अभी तक क्या बोलते हैं उसको नूबी हो. So don't appreciate yourself so much. Listen. The many things. Okay. Don't predict anything. The Indian Meteorological Department was founded by the British in 1875 at Simla. Its head office is at Pune and its regional offices are at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Nagpur, and Delhi. So it was founded by whom? British. शिमला में. Okay. Then उसका offices है कहाँ पे? Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata. These are the regional offices. And in the Pune we have the head office. Okay.
Maps are prepared every day, which indicate the daily prediction about the weather. Such maps are prepared and published twice in every 24 hours.
In this institute, research goes on continuously on various aspects like instruments for climatic reading, prediction about climate made using
Radar. It's radar.
radar, prediction about climate related to seismology, prediction regarding rainfalls by satellites, air pollution, etc.
Okay. Every 24 hours, the map has been made. Okay. It is published every 24 hours. दिन में 2 बार आपको वेदर फोरकास्टिंग का पॉपअप आएगा मोबाइल. ओके. द अदर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट पायलट को कभी देखा है प्लेन वो करते समय फ्लाई करते समय कभी देखा है नहीं ना तो हाँ यूट्यूब पे मैं भी कभी गई नहीं उससे पर्सनली मिलने. ओके. सो व्हेन ही इज डूइंग दैट उनके आगे एक मैप लगाया हुआ रहता है ऐसे आईपैड के जैसा बड़ा सा. सो व्हाट दे डू ओवर देयर मैप देखते रहते हैं. अपने जैसा लैंडमार्क्स नहीं है ना बेचारों को है ना. So they always try to see the map. In that map, only the updates regarding the weather is been given. Okay. Then about the seismology, waves, कितना high था, कितना low था, seismographs आता है ना उसका. Okay, that is done. Then the predictions regarding the rainfall. अच्छा, चंद्रयान 2 के टाइम प्रॉब्लम हो गया था ना? हाँ, तो कैसे किसके हेल्प से पता चला था हम लोगों को? With the help of what we understood? अरे थोड़ा जोर से. तुम लोग राइट बोलते हो लेकिन उनके अंदर एक तो वो कवर लगाया हुआ है. बोलो. हाँ अरे सैटेलाइट इज बीन सेंट ना आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट. तब हमको पता चला था ऊपर भी मून पे क्रेटर्स हैं. क्रेटर्स मतलब गड्ढे जो हमारे रोड पे मस्त दिखते हैं ना डिजाइनर एकदम. वो उनको बुला के करा है फैशन ये इंटीरियर्स वाले आके करके जाते हैं. ओके. ओके. जोक्स अपार्ट. सैटेलाइट्स के हेल्प से हमें ऊपर की सारी चीजें पता चलती है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ सैटेलाइट्स ओनली द वेदर फोरकास्टिंग पीपल दे डू सम प्रेडिक्शंस. ओके. यू कैन मूव अहेड.
The India Meteorological Department provides important information regarding weather and climatic condition to other departments like
Aviation.
Aviation,
It is related to airport. Aviation, flights. Aviation का डिप्लोमा रहता है ना. Now it is closed I guess. पहले चलता था. There was a diploma for aviation. आप लोग उसमें डिप्लोमा कर सकते थे. अभी बंद कर दिया है. I know because of some reason. वो कुछ बंद हो गया है ना. इसका तो भी जो कंपनी था फ्लाइट का वो बंद हो गया. तब से वो डिप्लोमा भी बंद हो गया. ओके. कंटिन्यू.
shipping, agriculture, irrigation, marine oil exploration and production, etc. Prediction regarding
calamities. Calamities are the natural calamities. Flood है, drought है, earthquake है, volcanic eruptions है. These are forest fires है. These are tsunamis है. All of these they are the natural calamities. Prediction of all these things, storms, clouds, dust. Okay. ये सब कुछ जो भी है weather department. Okay.
like dust storms, sandstorms, heavy rainfall, hot and cold waves, tsunamis, etc. are communicated to various departments, all types of mass communication media, and all citizens. For this purpose, India has launched several satellites equipped with high-class technology. Observatories at several locations are doing excellent work in the analysis of the information received from these satellites.
Okay, you can go back. Thank you so much. So what they are telling over here is the predictions regarding all the calamities, all the information it has been passed on to the different sites like the aviation. Okay. Then another they have told us about what? Shipping. Then agricultural department, marine oil exploration, and then irrigation. So all these departments they have been informed through this center. फिर इनका आगे का जो भी messages है they just convey to others also. So this is how the meteorological departments plays an important role in our life. You will get a short note on this. Okay. If you try to open the 147 page of your notes, in that there is a short note. Page number 147 of your notes. Notes, mobile nahi, mobile, textbook nahi. You must be having notes of the classes. क्या हो गया तुम लोगों को? इतना अच्छा पढ़ा दिया मैंने. Okay. Anyways, don't open the notes. I'll give you the questions. ज़्यादा नहीं दूंगी, don't worry. You have to write the short note. Come on, mark it in your textbook, page number 107. Students, those who are sitting online, please mark the questions. Page number 107. Write a short note on meteorology, climatic factors. These two short notes, and first explain the differences, weather and climate. Explain the differences, weather and climate. Question number 7, A question, the difference between weather and climate. So you have total 3 questions. Question number 4, write the short notes में से पहले 2 questions है, meteorology and the climatic factors. And in the 7th question, that is explain the difference, you have to explain the difference between the climate and weather. And listen, 2 definitions mark करके दिए हैं मैंने. One is for weather and the other one is for meteorology. Each definition 2 times, and whatever homework I have given, each one you will do 2 times. Easy. हाँ, पूरा homework you will be doing 2 times. In the next lecture, we will play some KBC. Okay. Okay. Listen. क्या? हाँ, वो starting के सब 2 times. तभी तो याद होगा ना. And yes, don't just try to mug up the answers. कोई भी रट्टा नहीं मारेगा. Whatever we have discussed over here, वही सब है उसके अंदर. इंग्लिश बचपन से पढ़ा है, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा तो आता है. ओके, जितना आता है उसको यूज करके हम लोग आंसर्स लिख सकते हैं. इतना तो आता ही होगा सबको. आई होप, है ना. रट्टा मारने का जरूरत नहीं है. द कंसेप्ट गो ओवर हियर. ठीक है, बाकी का बाद में देखेंगे. Clear? Yes. Now how to stop this? Okay. So students, I'm leaving the class. Take care, all of you. Students, are you content with the teaching?
Yes.
समझ रहा है?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
की आंसर गया ना? बैठ पे लगा ना? Yes, next lecture में पढ़ के आना. हाँ, टेक्स्ट बुक का पूरा और जो भी क्वेश्चंस दिए. चलो then, see you soon. Bye. Bye. I don't remember your books, like breakfast with हाँ, जो होमवर्क का अच्छा